So I think one of the key things that we find important as the institutional investor community is that we've realized that there's a real changing of the order of importance about the role that we can play as long-term capital in the green and sustainable oriented transition. If you look at the way that our capital now represents about $200 trillion globally, and you look at the sort of double-digit climate financing gap, it's become very evident, as we've seen during COP26 and in the cover agreement at COP27, that the multilateral development banks with a collective balance sheet of about $1.5 trillion cannot solve the climate financing problem. And it's really only us as the largest pools of global institutional capital, which are now 900 times larger than the multilateral development banks' pools of capital. We really have to provide much more leadership, and that's exactly what we're doing here at A4S, particularly through the asset owners group and the broader tools that we develop. And I think that's become very much more to the forefront in relation to the way that long-term institutional capital has an integral and central role to play in the overall transition agenda.